What's up? I'm going to be making slime. This is slime out of fiber drink, and I did not like the way it turned out. All messy and everything. I was like, nobody wants to play with this messy stuff. So instead of dirty, I don't want to sound like a clean freak and everything. Instead of dirtying up dishes, I'm just going to use a paper plate and whatever this is called. Okay, so I'm only going to use a little bit of this. Or should I just use all of it? I'm going to go get a bowl. Ha ha ha. Okay. Watch my beautiful dog.
Baby, I used to you at the court yesterday. I'm not with you. Alright, be good. Alright. Yeah. Good luck, you do. Yeah, hold the thing. 5-0 comes. 5-0 comes. Yeah. See you in a minute. Come on. See you later.
Hey, Nestor, I need to talk to you about this, I need to talk to you about the shit I got from you yesterday, man.
Alright, no, wait a minute. I gotta take this.
Right now, man. Right now. I need to talk to you about this.
My ugly face is back. Woo! Ha.
You want to make some real money now, man.
Oh, that's my jelly rolls.
Think about, dream about. You want to make some money now, man.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Come on, right.
Let me bring this chair over here because I don't want to make a mess on my rolly chair. Oh my god. Bye-bye, Felicia. Bye-bye, Felicia. Bye. You did not see anything. Oh, that got water in it. Can't throw that out. Why does my freaking chair have a bone and everything? Alright. So I'm about to dry your ball out if you just rinsed it. I'm so weird, y'all. I'm not cleaning the room. Okay. Let's put this nasty towel down because I got some other slime on it yesterday. Alright. Your bowl. Your clean water from the sink. Yo, laundry detergent. Why is it right there over there? Does it smell good?
Don't worry about it. Help me get in the hell out of here. Just help me get in the hell out.
Woo! That smells actually pretty good though.
Let's go.
Where did my glue go? Really? Really, Billy? Why am I so weird? I legit cannot find my... Where did you go, glue? Oh my god. Why is this always happening? Ugh, get up, hillbilly. I cannot. Oh, wait, it's over here. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry, that's a shirt. Okay, so this is my bowl. Yeah, you can see. And here are my 79-cent glue from Kroger's. It's Office Works Disappearing Act. Acid free. Wow! Okay.
You fucking sit around here bullshitting, man, making me diamond, man.
So pour that good glue in there. You gonna get some water.
Satisfied with new sneakers, pair of fucking sunglasses, and chicken wings. And
Yeah, just let it spill. Huh.
Talking about we ate this, man. Man, we thinking fucking
You gonna take your nasty glue bottle. Shake it up.
how long we gonna do these bitches, man? Come
I
on,
forgot. That was open.
man. Bullshit, man. You ain't getting no real fucking money doing this shit, man.
Oh, I'm gonna get my baby shirt. Okay.
Talking about the NFL.
So now you're going. Oh, look at that bubble. Well, my phone just dropped, so I'm about to put on some music on my phone because I'm bored. Felicia's. I'm just playing, y'all. Please forgive me. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's how you make your slime. Don't forget to subscribe. What the?
That's your talent, man.
I'm just playing.
America don't give us a fucking plan B, man. America is not
We about to listen to some music. Woo! No, that's okay. Sorry if you cannot hear me. Okay. Why did my music just stop like that?
Since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home.
Oh, wait.
Myself not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being.
I'm just gonna fill this up halfway.
So you can go back. Please enjoy your
Oh, this is gonna be a great blue. No, it's not. It's just very good.
somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hopping, I can hardly hear. Oh, with this music,
Ew, I can already feel it
for
forming. What the heck?
So tell my friends that I'll be over here.
I did it slowly, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
I've been wanting to do this for months.
I ask
You
myself,
don't
what am I
understand.
doing here?
And I'll slowly start to form. Look. Just a tablespoon. Please turn beautiful. Probably not. All my DIYs are fails. Yeah, I just got a whole bunch of it. Why am I so excited?
And I can't wait till we can break apart.
Oh.
Just hit me if I see
Ew, what is this like lumpy? What should be a fail? I know I said add slowly, but I just don't care right now. Look, guys, did you know slime is made out of boogers? I'm just playing, kids. Don't listen to that. I'm weird. Haha.
Right next to the boy
You know what? Forget it.
cause he can't take what's in his cup no more. Oh God, why am I here?
Oh!
I ask myself, what am I doing here?
You think I had too much water?
And I can't wait till we can break apart.
Michael! Watch it smell good. It's gonna smell good, though. Okay, I think it's done. I don't know, does it look done? Yeah, it feels done. Wow! Smells I'm weird. Let's go get his reaction. Of course, you gotta get the grown adult's reaction. Sorry if you hear a whole bunch of bad words. I have no clue what movie he is watching. This is like so freaking cool. I'll probably make some more. Michael! Alright. Set you on my stove. Here's my slime. You can put it on a freaking paper plate if you added too much laundry detergent. Yeah, I think I added too much, but
You made a good choice, dude. This is that raw right here.
alright, so this is a part of you.
This is that real raw right here, dude. You made a good choice, man.
You add so much because look at this. Wash your nasty hands first. Oh, that's cold.
You think like that, you lose weight. You don't think like that, you don't know it. You know, I just need 60,000 back from this right here. There's a brick. You know, $60 a brick.
That's when you get your aluminum foil. Just get some. That's not gonna work right there. So get some more. Let's just put it in a bag. Okay. Okay, so make a little hole.
14 years later, about 50 shootouts,
Okay.
100 fish fights,
And then
and Trump popular on $60.
just squeeze it out over the trash can. Why does it? Gross. I made slime.
Murder attempt.
Alright, that's your slime. Hopefully you didn't add so much. Look. This is legit awesome.
Pull down, bro. Stay in the house, bro. No more street food.
We still ball. As you can see, I love jewelry. My fur game is at an all-time high.
Bye.